Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the config folder for Bgmi and backing up anything you'll modify. Once found, copy the profiles or CFG files to a safe folder so you can revert. Then open the live config with a plain text editor using UTF-8. This prevents corrupted characters. Make sure to close Bgmi before editing to avoid conflicts. Now you have a clean, editable file and a recovery copy, so you can safely proceed to change settings. You'll now edit the core parameters. First, tweak sensitivity entries such as aim, camera, and ADS using precise decimal values. Small changes matter. Next, adjust graphics flags for frame rate and render scale to balance performance and visuals. Disable shadows for higher FPS if needed. Save after each logical change and keep incremental file names so you can compare. Once done, ensure the file permissions allow the game to read it. This prevents silent ignores by the app. You finish by copying the edited config back into Bgmi folder and setting proper owner and permissions so the app can read it. Then start Bgmi and check your modified behavior in a quick match. If the game ignores changes, clear the app cache, confirm the file name and UTF-8 format, then reapply. If problems persist, restore your backup and reintroduce one change at a time to isolate the issue. This method pinpoints the specific setting that caused the failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.